We think every man loves a woman who have got big bums, everything, a good shape. It's not all of them. Other men, they want slender women. They don't want those women who have got big bodies, what. They want slim women. Because on a man, especially when they come to a person they want to marry, they marry a person who have got a good character, not big bums, what, because your character is the one you can stay in your marriage. No, it's not your body. Sometimes to fix your body you are going to have a BBL. It's better to fix your character first. A man can leave you even with a nice body and you are wasting your money to do those BBLs. Guys, men, they don't want those nice body. Yes, they can be attracted, but when they saw your character is being, maybe you are not a good person, you are not a good woman, a man can leave you. So sometimes don't waste your time. You are fixing your body, you try to have got big bums, good hips, what, you understand. It's better to fix your character, a person, sometimes, because you say my man leaves me. Guys, men, when they want to be with you, sometimes they can see how kind of the person. It's not about the shape of the body only. Yes, other men, they can be attracted, but other men, they don't want those women who have got big bums or what.